We're here in Atlanta, downtown. We're taking it to the streets. We want to hear what the whites, the blacks, the middle class, the upper class, the no class, the never went to class, everybody. You feel me? And if you're in the South, everybody. Herbery.
Watch it back.
That's H-E-R-P. Herbery. Hey, bro, I got a question, brother. You got 2 minutes? Hey, bro, I got a question, brother. You got 2 minutes? Hey, bro, I got a question, brother. You got 2 minutes? Lil G.
Don't make me start talking educated like I got a camera in front of my face, man. What you want Barack to say? If you want Barack and it's already legally okay for same-sex marriages in several states, how do you stop it? You ban it, you reverse the laws.
If I say no, it ain't gonna be no law. You think men gonna stop sleeping with men? And women gonna stop sleeping with women? Because I said don't do that shit?
That's a difference.
Hell no, they gonna keep doing it. So I'm just letting them know, we see y'all going to do that, man. Y'all doing it anyway.
What you call it? They give you a license. They license marriage.
You doing it anyway. Go on and do that, y'all. Y'all doing it anyway, man. You know, vote for me.
There wouldn't be no state seal.
Vote for me, y'all doing it anyway. Them intelligent individuals around me that kept me in office as long as they have and kept me being that guy all these years, whatever they say, I'm rolling with it. They say love the Greenpeace guys, I'ma love the Greenpeace guys. It makes me what's the word I want to say? It makes me a humanitarian. It doesn't make me a villain. No, it makes me humanitarian. No, it makes me humanitarian. No, it makes me humanitarian. Humanitarian. No, it makes me humanitarian.
That's a religious issue for the religious caucus. Because everybody ain't no Christian. And that's what most of these
But you gotta understand, Christian is reselling Christianity, but if you understand what Constantine did to Christianity, you'll realize we've been worshiping Apollo and we've been worshiping Mithra.
But that's not
real talk. We've been worshiping Mithra and Apollo. We've never have yet to worship.
He got to be able to separate all religious beliefs versus them public policies and laws that
see, but religion is a fraud. So what happens when Christianity is a fraud? What you do then?
You're gonna have to go talk to some priests and popes and
no, it's a fraud. It's a fraud. What you gonna do then?
Presidential issue.
See, you do love the camera. Hey, man. Had to get you away from that camera.
Nah, man, you need co-host.
You're fine. See, because one thing about it, it's a community effort. It's a humanitarian effort. It's a conscious effort. So if you have a conscious thought or a conscious idea, please share it. You know what I'm saying? When I come through here just to try to get a drink, everybody want to talk to my ass. I think I'm just a happy motherfucker. Because I damn sure don't look like no pushover. You heard me? And ever since the day I've been in Atlanta, I ain't never had no in front on me. Cut that shit off! Cut that goddamn shit. This is the art district. You hear the music? Cut that shit off! Our question today really is Barack Obama. He agreed to the gay marriage.
I read that on Facebook today.
Yeah, but before he didn't have any say-so. What's your take on it? How do you feel about it?
Well, I mean, it is getting closer to November, and the gay community is pretty supportive of any president that, I don't know, there's never been any president that's been, so, I don't know. Well, I think everybody tries to step on eggshells to appease everybody, you know? I think that's the whole thing about politics, not to piss off too many people. Oh, thanks. Y'all have a good day.
I'm about to go up there. I'd rather go talk to this hornboy. I'm about to go up there. I'd rather go talk to this hornboy. Cut that shit off! Cut that goddamn shit! Cut that shit off! Cut that goddamn shit! Cut that shit off! Cut that goddamn shit!
Nah, I don't think it's on this floor. You think it's on this floor? It is on this floor!
certain people, even J Dollar won't even talk to you. I'm out.
I need it from the top. This is history, baby. Commissioner Steve.
Please step forward.
Yeah.
Please step forward. Thank you.
I know, man.
Hey, get this guy right here. Look that Sharpie in. This guy right here. Look that Sharpie in.
Jason, the hotel night manager.
You know how Barack was all staying away from the gay marriage thing his whole term. And now all of a sudden, overnight, I'm going for the gay. What do you think going on with that?
Well, what's basically going on with that, I feel, is because Joe Biden said something about it, so now we kind of forced Barack's hand to say something. So it's more of a political thing. You know, Joe doesn't know how to keep a tight lip on certain issues. So when Joe said something, he said something about gay marriages and all that stuff. And so then Barack came out and pretty much said, had to sit down with Joe. I was like, Joe, come on, man.
Why did you do that? Now I gotta bag you up.
Now I gotta back you up. So that's what happened because it's too risky.
And you see, it's great to get everyone's opinion because when you ask people in general, you know, you're gonna get personal. But this brother's in depth. He watches C-SPAN. He watches CNBC. He watches TNT. And what's the guy, Cooper? Anderson Cooper. So you know, at the end of the day, hopefully, you know, I can be that black Anderson Cooper. How the hell are you, Chief Dollar? Mueller story. Thanks a lot. Thank this brother here, man. And we definitely gonna get to the bottom of, is Barack doing this to really wear a pink T-shirt, but is he doing this because Joe Biden's taking his foot in his mouth? We gonna find out here in ATL. I'm just trying to get a feel from the regular people. What did they think?
I don't care. Once they don't marry me, I'm fine with it.
Barack whole election, right? He wanted to stay away from the gay marriage thing, right? Why all of a sudden now he's talking about he's ripping the pink shit?
I'm not going home with these people. What these people? The Most High say, you don't judge on nobody. That's not my, speaking for myself, that's not my position to judge nobody. What these people go home, what they do in their house, that's them. I ain't got nothing to do with that, bro. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I don't have nothing to do with that, man. If that's the way you get down, that's the way you get down.
At the end of the day, from day one, homie said he was against it. Now all of a sudden it's time for re-election, you back on it. For no reason.
No, there's a reason.
Well, most presidents,
I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Most presidents.
What he don't understand is by doing that, he done lost a lot of votes.
If I'm the president and I say, I don't agree with that. Oh, yeah, I do. Either way, they still gonna do it.
Yeah.
Do you feel me? So for you to stand on any premise or either one at any time, you still gonna get chastised because he's black and he actually damn near done got us out of debt.
Look at the preachers and the pastors.
You feel me?
Look at the preachers and the pastors, what they doing.
Come on, listen to me, and look, I like to go to Hebrews. Listen. Okay. And then I'm gonna get at it. Let's go to Hebrews real quick. Hebrews chapter 5, going into 6, they talk about Melchizedek. Melchizedek set the order. He set the order through Abraham's descendants and the tribe of Judah. These were the only people licensed by God through him to be ministers and or preach. So if you're not from the tribe of Judah and or the Leviticus priesthood, you shouldn't be in the room. Let alone over the pulpit. And that's in your Bible. But ain't nobody reading that, though.